Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix ChatGPT app keep stopping error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so if you are experiencing this error, then it means that your app has experienced a glitch that needs to be fixed, or your app contains bugs. For this, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Now to get started, we need to go to settings on your smartphone, and then from settings, go to apps, and then you should see all your apps, or if you don't see, go to manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps that you have. From this, just search for ChatGPT, and here it is. First, we need to force stop the app, and then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and okay. Once this is done, restart your smartphone and now go to your ChatGPT app and everything should be okay. However, in case you still experience the same, your ChatGPT is still stopping, then head to your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for your ChatGPT. For this, we need to check if there is any update and update your app to the latest version. However, even after updating your app, if this issue still persists, then it means that your app has a bug. For that, you need to uninstall ChatGPT app to clear any bug that might be associated with this app and install it afresh. So that's how you can fix ChatGPT keep stopping error on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.